So you got a blower and it's not running right. It's bogging down, or when you give it all the throttle, it's got about 25% power. I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and the best thing is, it's easy and it's free. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out today. I'm gonna go over with you my dad's blower here. I mean, my dad is that retired guy that every time you go over his house, he's washing a car, cutting grass. That's it. Now this thing looks new, and it's one of the best brands you can buy in the entire world, right there. But guess what? It's not running right. I'm gonna start it up, show you what it does. That's full throttle. She should be screaming. Now what your problem most likely is the spark arrest. And what the spark arrest is inside the exhaust. If you find your exhaust on your blower, they all should be about the same. This one's right here. What that does is the screen. It stops any sparks from coming out of the engine and causing like a brush fire. We're gonna take that out, we're gonna cut the screen off. That screen's just a liability. Doesn't change how the blower runs. Now if you call the steel dealer and you talk to upper management, they're gonna tell you to replace it because of the liability. Now if you call a steel mechanic, he can tell you just cut that thing off. Crazy. You see that nut with a little pipe coming out of it? It's a little assembly unit. You just take it off by that nut. 15mm socket. Basically what it is, this thing gets clogged up, and it's like your car has a potato in the exhaust pipe. Oh yeah, there we go. See all the carbon deposits on that screen where nothing can get out of the exhaust? I'm just gonna take this thing and feel how far I can go to cut it off. And I'll get to working on it. I'll take some snips and I'll get rid of it. There you go, got that big screen bag cut off, and now there's a clear pass-through right through there for the exhaust to get out. That's as simple as it is. The only other thing I've got to do is I took the snips I was working with, or scissors or whatever you got, and just like gently kind of roll this screening back into like an inward dome. That way it can get into its channel where it wants to thread back in. We put this back in, nice and careful. There we go. Let's try her out. Yeah, doesn't get much easier than that. Now if you want to replace that screen, and maybe a fire situation is possible in your area, contact the manufacturer. I'm sure it doesn't cost too much money, but I've never had an issue cutting those off. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Remember to check my channel for other videos. There's all kinds of stuff on there. Stuff to keep you busy, have fun, party, whatever you want to do, we got it there. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Got your muscle, bro.